Hi friends, welcome to SSStockAlerts channel. In this video, we will talk about the deals feature. So deals are nothing but whenever a client or a mutual fund or a big player is buying more than 1% of any stock, those will be listing in the deals page. If you want to list out those deals, you can just click on the deals feature here. So it will bring you to the deals page. Mainly there are two tabs here, deals and clients. Let us discuss about the deals then clients. So by default it displays the last 1 or 2 trading days of the deals here, and this is the client name, whoever bought the stock and stock name, and this is the quantity they have bought it or sold it, and at this price. So basically it shows all the information about the deals for last 1 or 2 trading days here, and you can search for any stock here. And basically they're like, what is the use of this information? And if you go to any stock, right? So if I go to this stock, and you'll be seeing a large volume here. So this is because of that bulk deal. So if you don't have that deal, right, usually the volume will be very less. So this is just an example. So whenever you see any large volume, so that means there is a deal happened by a big player or a smart money. So if you want to those information, we can easily know using this page. And basically there are three type of deals where we consider. And let us see an example here. This is a just like this client is bought these shares on the same day and they sold it on the same day. So that is nothing but an intraday. So these things will not be helpful for to take the positional trades, because they are just giving a volume buzz and they are not carrying the positions. So only whoever buying today and selling tomorrow or after 3 months or 6 months, those players only will be helpful for us to take the positional trade or to get the for long-term investment. So those type of deals only we will be concentrating more. So these are intraday deals, will be just giving a volume buzz and there will be more volume on the charts, but it does not indicate anything. So if you want to identify whoever buying the stocks, only they have bought it and they are not selling it. So if you want to see such feature, right, just click on here and there is a buy only. So just click on buy only. So what it tells is, so these clients are the smart monies, they have bought these stocks and they are not selling on the same day. That means they are keeping their position. So such things, example, I refer them as a smart money. Like they buy in a large quantity and they might know some reason why they are buying it. So example you see here, right, Rakesh Junjanwala, they bought the Tata Motors DVR and these many quantities, like 12 lakh 50,000 quantity they have bought it. Definitely they have a new, either their quarterly results will be good or the stock might be trading at good price. So that's why they are buying here. And there is another guy, if you see, there is a Abacus asset manager LLP, like these are the mutual funds. They bought the Rupa stock at 465. And let me just click on here and we'll see. So I'm just clicking here. And if you see, right, this asset manager is, they bought the Rupa stock on January 11th for 465 and the current price is at 518. So there is a jump, at least 50 rupees jump in the price because of these guys entry. So, and this is a older entry, but you can see here what is happening. So they bought the stock for almost 80 rupees and now it is trading at 113. So these are the big players who are buying in a large quantity. So we want to identify them and we want to follow them. Like if they are buying side, let us jump into the buying side. If they are in selling side, let us jump into the selling side. So may we that make sure that we are also along with the big players. Like if you are going against them, definitely we cannot beat them, because they buy in a large quantity, they sold in large quantity, so they are the market movers. Example, another example, there is another growth fund from the Abacus itself, and see, like they bought in same day, they have bought it for 465. This is for another things. And if you just go here and check the ropa chart, so what is, there is a huge like jump between this, see the volume here, and from here also you can see the deals, like when they have bought it. This Abacus emerging fund, again they have bought it at 250 levels in the last December. So I think they are tracking the stock, and they're keeping their position in the stock in multiple, here one time and again here another time. And so these are like they are accumulating their stocks. So when they are accumulating, we also should accumulate and should enter for the longer term. So this technique only will be helpful when you want to go for either 2 to 3 months and your target is 10% or 20%. Just go for the smart money entries, just click here and go for buy only, and look for mostly look for the hedge funds, like any mutual funds and any LICs, any EPFOs. So you track only such clients, and don't go for any individuals who are buying 90,000 or 50,000. If the quantity is less than 1 lakh, don't track them. If the quantity is more than 1 lakh, just track them. And if that stock is seems to you very reasonable, and go and take the entry here. So example here, this stock is almost trading in the their 52 weeks high zone, and this already they have a huge buying in the this area. It might reach the top again, this 299 it can reach. So such things can happen. Those information we can easily get using the deals information. And the next thing is, there is a sell only. So what it refers, what it refers is, these guys already have a position and they are clearing now. So like whenever they are clearing, right, so we should try to clean it up our positions, so that we also will be same side. So this, using this page you can know like whether the big guys are selling it or not. Using this page you can know it. And if you want to track like either buy or a sell in both in a same page, you can just click here. So using this information you can know like whether these guys are buying it or not. You can know this information. And if you want to track all the stocks information regardless of they are buying same day and they are selling same day, you can just click on the all. So it will get all the deals information. And if you are interested only on particular day, you can just click on deals by date and select your which date you want to get trading date, and just select the same date, or you can select another date also. You can click for the deals information, so it will get the deals for that particular date. So that also will helpful to get the past deals information. And if you want to filter the deals, right, and if you want to filter the deals, just click on the filter here, and you can filter the deals. Like mostly I am interested more than above 50 rupees deal, and so I can just click on 50 rupees. And I am interested in the more than 1 lakh is a quantity. I'm just clicking apply. So here you will know about the deals only more than above, and where the quantity, the deal quantity is more than 1 lakh. And here you can just look for just go here and buy only, so that you will know the stocks which are like earlier there were 200, now it is 20. And from here you can just look for the deals which are buying in a large quantity. So and just look the chart and take the position. And and if you want to download this deals information for your reference, right, you can just click on download. So this page information, everything will be downloaded for you, and you can do further analysis from your end. And suppose I want to follow some big guys, right? the clients. So how can I do that? So just click on the clients. So here all the clients information will be available. Example here, this is one of the client. So where they bought the ropa, and this is the price they bought, and this is the current. So it is in the profits. And so you can same wise you can look for any client here, and mostly look for any mutual funds, something EPFO, something like that. So you can look for such guys and mutual funds. So these are the mutual fund information on DSP mutual fund or whatever mutual funds. So just click on this mutual fund, right? And if you want to follow them, just click here and you see their transactions in their page. So here, if you see the DSP mutual fund, they bought this stock Thangamayal, and they bought this at 1322, and currently it is 1373. So whether like if these guys are profitable or not, you can see here itself, right? So these guys had bought Johnson Tech at 300, and now currently it is at 474. So like, yeah, if you see their history, and if those guys are profitable, then only you follow them and try to, whenever they bought it, right, you buy them. So it will be beneficial. And such wise you can look for any mutual fund and their transactions, whether that is like if you see the green color here, like those are in profitable zone. And if you see in the red, and those are not in a profitable. And you can see for like almost any mutual fund, you can just look for here and see their transactions. So using these clients, you can track the smart money, like what they're buying it and what are the deals and how their portfolio is going. You can track here, and using the deals, you can know all this information. And so let me conclude it. So when you go for all, if it is like all is, it will show every deal information. So it is nothing but whatever they buy it and they are selling it on the same day, all deals will be showing here. If they are buying and selling in the same day, just think like it's an intraday. It will give you the volume, but it does not indicate anything. So almost my preference is go for buy only, and look for the players who are buying it, any stocks, and just try to follow them, so that you will also will be in the right side. And thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel.